guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here then hi, I am Tavishi, your girl next door. So guys, monsoon is here and monsoon comes with one major problem, especially for girls, and that is to control the frizz of the hair. It doesn't matter if your hair is curly, straight, whatever type, every girl faces this issue. I get hair fall. Usually my hair fall increases and I face a lot of frizziness in my hair after I wash it. So in today's video, I'm going to give you 4 quick fixes. Literally, these are very quick fixes that you can use to control the frizziness of your hair in this monsoon season. So if you're interested to know what my quick fixes are, then please stay with me. And now without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. So I'm going to be super quick in today's video because these are quick fixes and I'm not going to be really reviewing all these products. I'm just going to tell you that these are the products that you really need. In general, I never suggest to buy a lot of hair products because you know that I'm a DIY girl, but man, this monsoon has driven me crazy and none of the DIYs seem to be really working for the frizziness of the hair. So here are my quick fixes, and the number one product that I want to talk about is this product right over here. This is the Sesa hair oil and lotion. I think I have talked about this product in a lot of my videos. I will leave a link of the detailed review of this product, so if you want to know the review, you can go ahead and watch that video. But nevertheless, the point of this product is this is really a super quick fix. Just use this before you wash your hair. Even if you have not applied oil, you hate oil, because this is a oil replacement, so it's good for everybody and anybody. Just apply this one before you take a shower. Half an hour before is more than enough, and just go and wash your hair. Trust me on this, guys, that the frizziness will go away. I love this product. This controls my frizziness in the best possible manner. My hair feels super smooth and I love how manageable it becomes after I use this. मैंने इसका use throughout किया है, but इस monsoon season में ना I can see the difference. Like I can really see the difference, because if I'm not using this, then the frizziness is crazy. But if I do use this, my frizziness is just solved. I don't get frizziness in my hair. This is a beautiful product, and if you are facing frizziness, especially in this monsoon season, give this one a try. This is not that expensive. You are gonna love this product. Take my word for that. Product number 2 that I'm going to talk about is this. I don't know if you guys have really seen this product before, but this was a very new discovery for me. This is called the Hydrating Concentrate, and this is for dry and sensitive scalp. Now this is by L'Oreal Professional, and it comes like this. Okay, they have bottles inside this, and there are like 6 bottles that you get, and the price for this is 550. It is a bit expensive, I won't deny, but then I love this product. So inside this, the bottle comes like this. Okay, each bottle is this big. You get full bottle, ठीक है? Concentrate आपको इसमें पूरा full bottle का मिलेगा. So what I love to do with this is I sometimes use it before washing my hair, sometimes after washing my hair. So what I do is, if I want to use it before washing my hair, I'll mix it with this. Okay, सेसा के साथ मैं इस concentrate को मिला देती हूँ और तब मैं उसको अपने बालों में लगाती हूँ. Okay, this is like an extra. It's just not the mask, but since I was facing a lot of frizziness in this monsoon, I thought of adding this in my masking process. So either I use it before the shampoo with the Sesa one, or in the shower if I'm applying a hair mask, I definitely mix this one with the mask and then I apply it all over my hair. So basically this is like a booster. Okay, तो मैंने एक difference notice किया है. Like if I do mix this with my mask, I won't say a lot of difference with this because ये अपने में ही sufficient है. But अगर when I am using a mask after washing my hair and I mix this, the hair becomes so manageable and so silky that I just fall in love with it. And when I skip this, then I do find a difference. Like just masking isn't enough, and I love to mix this one with my mask. It is a very new discovery for me. I don't know if you guys knew about this product or no, but I did not. I do know that Matrix का भी आता है, but I haven't really used it, so I don't know. I used this one, L'Oreal Paris का, and I fell in love with this. I love this one. I have already used up 4 bottles. I have 2 more left, and this is the full quantity that you get. I think it's worth the price, because for my hair length I use like a little bit, not too much, and मेरा एक bottle easily I'm telling you 6-7 washes तो आराम से I can go ahead with this. Like I can use it 6-7 times if I have opened this bottle once. So I think it's okay. If you can afford it, then please do give it a try. This really makes a difference. Now third product is going to be a super affordable option for you guys, because I'm talking about all the expensive products in this video. So I wanted to give you one option that everybody and anyone can afford, and that is a glycerin bottle. Now you know that glycerin is super cheap. This bottle is for 70 bucks and I bought this from a local market. You will also get it. Glycerin is honestly very good for skin, but it is also very good for hair, and I did not know this. This is my recent discovery, क्योंकि मैं frizziness से परेशान होकर के इस monsoon season सारी चीजें search कर रही थी, and I wanted to look for options that could control my frizziness, and thank goodness I found this option. So this one I do have a warning for you guys, that is, do not use this just straight away, because glycerin is very sticky in nature, and if you don't mix it with oil or anything, it will be very difficult for you to take it off. So don't make that mistake. But nevertheless, if you mix it with oil, aloe vera gel, flaxseed gel, anything that can dilute the concentration of this particular product, and then apply all over your hair, your frizziness will be gone, man. It just helps to attract so much moisture from the environment that my hair, after the first use of this glycerin wala DIY, made my life so much easy. I didn't even apply a mask. Honestly, I just used a conditioner after washing my hair, and I was really good to go. My hair was super manageable. It wasn't frizzy, and it was raining that day. So I was so happy with the result. कि एक थोड़ा सस्ता cheap option तो मिला, because you know that I love DIYs, and if I don't have a DIY in my video for hair care, then I do feel bad. So I'm very happy that I can suggest something very affordable to all of you. So if you can't afford these products, and even if you can, just go ahead and try this particular cheaper option and see कितना अच्छा result आपको मिलेगा. And last super easy fix is to use a leave-in serum, and I like to use a serum in this form, not the cream one. I like to use this one. This is by L'Oreal Professional, and this is their Seri Expert. This is the purple bottle, and the price for this is $6.50, and the quantity that you get is 125 ml. Very worth the price, because this lasts for a very long time for my hair length. Lovely product, non-oily. Okay, that's what I really like about this product, because अगर leave-in serum का consistency मुझे बहुत oily लगता है, तो I don't like to use it. Sometimes अगर आपको quantity के अंदाज़ा ना लगे, तो your hair becomes very oily, which is another problem. So this one, I think the consistency is perfect. It's not oily, it's not very watery, it's somewhere in the middle, and it's very easy to apply it all over your hair. Just wash your hair when your hair is damp, apply it all over your hair, and then just leave it. I personally don't, you know me, I don't suggest to use a lot of market products for your hair, because I think कि otherwise भी manage हो सकता है. But seriously, monsoon में नहीं होता है, and that is why I wanted to say that when I don't apply this serum and when I apply this serum, I like notice visible difference, and that is why I wanted to include this, that if you do add this particular step in your hair care routine in this monsoon season, you will definitely notice a difference. And I am not saying just buy this product, buy any. I'll tell you, like, very cheap option is the Matrix one. It's a very good serum. It's a very good serum. There is no question about it. You can definitely go and buy that one. I really like the L'Oreal Paris ka Extraordinary Oil is something. I'm gonna post a photo over here. You can choose that also. That one is expensive. मतलब इससे ज़्यादा expensive है. This is in the middle range. So I'm giving you all the three options. बहुत एक्सपेंसिव भी एक है केरास्टेन, आई थिंक दे कॉल दैट ब्रांड. आई थिंक वो भी बहुत अच्छा प्रोडक्ट है, बट दैट इज 3000. सो एनीथिंग दैट फिट्स योर बजट, बाय दैट वन, बट यूज अ हेयर लीव-इन serum, especially in monsoon, if you want to control the frizz of your hair. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. Today's video was super short, but I hope that it was super informative and it's going to help you guys. I will leave the details and all the relevant links in the description box below, so please do make sure that you do check that out. And with this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you liked this one. If you did, please do not forget to hit that like button, share my channel and subscribe to it, because each subscription gives me so much happiness. Comment on my videos guys, let me know what you want to see, and I will be up soon in my next video. Till that time, take care, bye bye, be beautiful and stay very happy. Bye, enjoy monsoons, namaste.